It is important to understand what does trust mean and how does it feel in the scope of a relationship. Trust is an essential component of a strong relationship, but it does not happen overnight, and once it's broken, it is difficult to repair. 1. Openly apologies. Be truthful and be prepared to apologize. Take good breath and remain calm. Whether it's a letter, message with meaningful conversation or face-to-face. It's crucial that the person expresses his or her remorse and have the intention to repair the relationship. 2. Have the will to work on the relationship. The second step is both individuals are on board and are willing to make it happen. Reflect back to the experience. Spend time thinking about what caused you and your partner to be in pain. How did it make you feel? How are you feeling now as a result of everything that happened? 3. Create new memories. Do something that will make you and your partner smile and laugh. Remind each other, when there is hope anything is possible and are capable of living happy life. 4. Don't let negativity control your life. Be mindful, not to allow yourself to get caught into negative spiral. Don't be too hard on yourself and trust your instincts. Don't let your emotions control your body. You have complete control over your mind and heart, bringing ultimate peace. 5. Reunite the connection. Ask yourself what you and your partner need. Communication is the key when strengthening the relationship. Spend more time doing things both love and enjoy. Work on how to establish support and trust. 6. Focus on the future. Leave the past behind. Both partners not to dwell on the past mistakes. Have the honest conversation how you both want to move forward. Design a vision together, and most beautiful thing of all, look into your partner's eyes and so they know you are their priority. After a wrongdoing, it is possible to rebuild a relationship. Whether it's worthwhile depends on the needs of your relationship and whether you can trust your partner again. Only when you decide to try mending things, be aware that it will take time. If both sides are committed to the process of rebuilding trust, you may find that you both grow stronger than before. Both as a couple and individually.